Hi, I'm Constanze, and today I'm going to show you how to use your tympanometry module in the Amplisuite. After having downloaded all data from the unit to the PC, we will now review these test results. Click or touch the Open File icon in your Amplisuite and select the file you'd like to review. Your module is split into three areas: the toolbar with button and functions, the sidebar containing patient details and all uploaded files, and the graph and results area. Here you will always see your TIMP results and a small preview of Ipsen contra-reflex traces if available. Amplisuite follows the principle of what you see is what you get, so you don't have to worry about any hidden functions. All functions operating the tympanometry module are sorted in 5 areas: the patient details, the module selection, data upload and review, the processing, and the review buttons. Let me show you how to use some of the functions. In order to enter patient details, select the patient icon. Here you can enter the patient's name and the date of birth, and there are also 3 user-defined fields which you can customize in the settings. One of my favorites is the Jurger classification options, where I can define my TIMP type to help me with the evaluation. Use the zoom function if you'd like to see the peak of the curve in greater detail. After I'm done with my review, I can print or PDF file my data. Let me show you some more functions when reviewing 1000 Hz tympanometry test results. Depending on where you're located, your requirements for defining a normal TIMP might vary. In the settings, you can change, create, or adjust normative areas to define a normal TIMP for 226, but also for 1000 Hz. I will now add a norm box for my 1000 Hz tympanometry measurements. After selecting OK, my norm box will now show in my graph area. This function is also very helpful, again, to define my TIMP type. Another function used in high-frequency tympanometry is the review of YBG curves. Select the YBG button on the top right to change the view. Select the 2S button to return to the regular view. I hope you found this video helpful, and I would look forward to see you next time again. Bye!